Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Daggett and Miss Brooks, and we're going to be playing a subtraction game with you today. So, Miss Brooks, do you want to tell them what they need for this? Because I'm not sure.
Oh, absolutely. Well, the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need an empty egg carton, and you're going to need a Sharpie, because inside the Sharpie, I started on the left and I numbered my carton 1 through 12 in order, because you'll find out later this is going to be a way to self-check our work. So you'll need that. You'll also need a basket or a container, and you'll need some eggs. Like, you can use real eggs that are hard-boiled so they won't crack and make a mess, or if you have some plastic eggs, but unfortunately mine were too big to fit in the egg carton, but you can use plastic eggs, you can use dyed eggs that you did for Easter that you hunted, or you can use real eggs. Just make sure mom hard boils them first. And then you'll also need, Miss Daggett, you'll need a dice, and you'll need something to write with. I have a dry erase board and a marker, but you could use pencil and paper as well. So whatever you have with you, let's gather our things and start our game.
Okay, I happen to have my paper and my marker here, and get this, my eggs just happen to be right next to me. Wow.
Oh, awesome. I have to put my eggs in the carton, but good deal.
Yes. Well, and mine are numbered already because I had a feeling we were going to be doing this.
You're so smart, Miss Daggett.
I know. Great minds think alike, right? Isn't that what they say?
I know, and we do. And I'm just so glad we get to play a game. It's different than we normally would. That's kind of cool.
I just realized something, though. I'm going to have to borrow your dice. Do you think you could share it with me? Because I don't have one.
Absolutely. I could throw it to you and see if you can catch it. We'll play around and see how it works.
Sounds good. Okay.
Okay, you have your egg carton filled. I have mine filled.
All filled. I have my basket ready. I got my paper to write my subtraction problems.
Awesome. Well, it looks like we're ready to play. Do you want to explain the directions, Miss Daggett? How the boys and girls know what to do?
Sounds good. Okay, so you'll have your dice and you'll have to roll it. So, Miss Brooks, do you mind tossing me your dice real quick so I can borrow it?
Absolutely.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so you're going to roll your dice, and that's going to tell you, like, I rolled 3. So that means I have to take 3 eggs out of my carton. So I'm going to start at the end, and I would say 1, 2, 3. Now, I would have to make my subtraction problem. I kind of forgot to start it off first, but I guess I can still remember, right? I had 12 eggs. I had 12 eggs, right? So I would put 12, take away. How many did we take away? 3. 3 equals, let's see how much I have left. Oh, you know what? It's so cool. Like Miss Brooks said, if you label your carton, then you can see so easily. And I can see that I have 9 left because that's the very last egg in there. So 12, take away 3 equals 9. So that's the game that we're going to play, and we're going to see who empties their egg carton first. Miss Brooks or Miss Daggett? All right, are you ready? I'll have to start over. I've got to be fair, right?
And Miss Daggett, I'm wondering, can you count back too before you check? Could I start and go 12, 11, 10, 9 and count backwards to see how many and then self-check it?
Yes, I think you could actually, because I did not self-check just now. So yes, good point, Miss Brooks. So I should have done that, but we will practice now. Okay, you ready?
Absolutely. That's how we learn practice, right?
All right. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so you ready? We're going to see who does this first. All right, so you want me to go again, or do you want to go?
Yeah, you go first, then you can toss the dice to me.
All right, here we go. Oops. It's kind of hard to roll a big dice. Okay, I got 4. So I have to take out 4, so I'm going to do the count backwards like you said. So first let me write down, I have 12 eggs, take away 4 equals, so 12, 11, 10, 9, and that means I have 8. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. Okay, Miss Brooks, you ready?
I'm ready.
Go. You got.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, Miss Daggett. I got it. Good job. Let me see what I roll and see what my problem's going to be. I got a 3. So I'm going to do like you did, but I'm going to do mine on a dry erase board. So I'm going to start with my larger number, which is how many eggs are in my carton. So I have 12. And then I took away how many? 3. So I'm going to take away 3. And then I'm going to show you another way you can check it too. So I'm going to start at the bottom and take out 1, 2, 3. Another way I could check it is I could actually count and see how many are left. I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I can lift up my egg and there's a 9 under that. So I know I got it correct. So now my equation would be 12 minus 3 equal 9 eggs left. I think you're beating me, Miss Degas. I think
so far so good.
Let's do a couple more together. You want to try a couple more turns? You ready for me to roll the dice?
Sounds good.
Here we go. Here it comes.
Woo! Okay, well, I got a 3 when you threw it. So I'm going to start off where what I had last time. I had 8 eggs. So 8 take away 3. Let's find out. I'm going to do it your way this time. 1, 2, 3. And I can count, like you said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I could peek underneath, double check, and it has a 5 under there. So 8 take away 3 equals 5 eggs left.
Good job.
Do you think you can get rid of your eggs before I do?
Oh, I hope so. I'm going to try really hard.
Here you go. Catch.
Ready? Oh, I got 5 this time when you tossed it to me. So I'm going to start with, I had 9 eggs. So I'm going to put that number first so I don't forget how many I started with. I had 9 and I rolled a 5. So that means I'm going to take away 5. That's a lot of eggs, Miss Degas. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look at my carton. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So
oh my goodness.
9 minus 5 equals 4. Do you think they have the idea, Miss Degas? Do you think they could play it at home?
I think they're ready to do it, yes. And you could Zoom with a friend, just like Miss Brooks and I are doing. But this dice, man, it can just jump right across the lines.
I love that. Or you can play with your family at home. And we would love, if you find a good game playing with a friend, we would love for you to record it and post it on Seesaw or send your teacher a video to see how you played the eggs in the basket game, because that was kind of fun.
Absolutely. I think that's going to be exciting to see.
I think so. Thank you for playing a game with me today, Miss Degas. That was fun for a Monday to have a fun subtraction game. I love it.
It was a nice way to start the week. And I got to see my friend.
I know. And let's do another game soon.
Okay, I'll see you. I'll give you a call.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. I don't know how to stop it.